Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your central vac needs. Today I wanted to make a really quick video. We've made a few videos about our central vac stuff and what we do with them and kind of where we work and things like that. So just a recap on for all the customers that we get that have questions. I hope this video helps you guys out. I know having issues with a vacuum system or your vacuum in general is very frustrating, but we're here to help you. Have no fear. AceVacuums is here. We can help you out with all your central vac needs. So we currently are serving all of Northern Virginia, as well as Maryland and DC. So if you are in the Tri-County area and you have a central vac system, or you're looking to get a new central vac system, please give us a call here at 703-997-9292. We have standby technicians that do all the service work, as well as all the repair work. We travel within a very wide radius, so if you are a little farther out, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We can always try to work something out and get down to you guys and schedule a time for us to come out and look at it. A lot of the common issues is that we see is there's loss of suction or no suction in the unit. The inlet isn't kicking the hose on. When you put the hose on, it's not turning the vacuum on. The vacuum won't turn on. A lot of these are very simple, common fixes that we can usually perform and handle right there at the home. So basically how it works is you just give us a call here at the store, let us know a little bit about what you have, what kind of mic and model, and all that type of stuff that you have, and then let us know what's going on with the unit. We then will come up with a good time and day that suits you to send one of our certified technicians out to come take a look at your unit. Once he diagnoses the problem, we will try to get it fixed there on spot. I know some of these older units we will have to come back for a second visit just because we may have to order the parts needed to get it repaired. And the process doesn't take very long. Usually we can schedule you within a week. So it's not like you have to wait weeks or months at a time to get somebody out there. We can do it usually within a few days upon the call. We also deal with all the warranty work with some of these guys like MD Central, Racar, and all those other ones, New Tone. So if you have an issue with it and it's not that old, please give us a call because we can handle the warranty work for you. We deal with every central vac system out there as far as repairs are concerned, so it doesn't matter really what make and model it is, we can always repair it, given the fact that we just get the information up front, know what we're getting into, so we can check everything out, make sure we get your system diagnosed and running properly in the way that it should be. If you have any questions or like to set up estimates for somebody to come out and take a look at your unit, give us a call at 703-997-9292. You could also email us at info@acevacuums.com, or just talk to us through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube. If you have questions in regard to your central vac system and you're in the Northern Virginia area, Maryland and DC, please come by or see us here at AceVacuums and we can help you guys out with all that stuff. Thank you and have a great day.